The newest innovation in the industry right now. It's the LG Chi Color Master Factory. This infinite, it's gonna keep growing and growing and growing. This is gonna forever change the hair world. Hey, what's up guys? It's Wesley Palmer and I'm very excited to show you guys the LG Chi Color Master Factory. Say hello to your new color tubes. These are color canisters. The canisters is what goes into the LG Chi Color Master Factory, and I just want to show you guys how easy it is. You're gonna go on the left side, open your door, and then when you look down, you want to make sure you're gonna see this is shaped like a triangle. You're gonna flip it to where it matches with the shape. You're gonna lift up the latch, place it in, and then all you do is pull this just a little and let it lock. That's it. 12 canisters. There's a 1 in, 3 in, 5 in, clear, your additives, 0 volume and 40 volume. It's gonna give you everything. You're gonna be able to go through and create any look, infinite colors, just with 12 canisters. It's insane. With this, you have 2 modes. So we have manual mode and we have simulation mode. Simulation mode is super cool because what we can do with that is you're able to take a new client. They're like, okay, I want to see what I look like as a redhead. You're gonna go through, put your red formula in. You snap a photo of their hair. They're gonna be standing in front of the machine. Then what it'll do is it takes an x-ray photo so all of their hair turns white. Then it's gonna give you the suggested formula for you. It's gonna pop up a before and after of what she looks like with her normal level and then when she looks like red. It's a lot of fun. It's something brand new that's gonna come to you guys and it's gonna be a good education tool for new stylists. We're gonna do manual mode though. I wanna show you guys how easy it is. So let's create our toner for our Chi Bleach and Shine model. I'm gonna bring up Jewel Does Hair. He is the winner from the BTC contest. So I just wanna show how easy it is. Have you ever used this before?
I have not.
So first timer, what you love. So go ahead and just open it up. You're gonna place your bowl on the scale. The scales are incredibly accurate. They're calibrated like perfect. Now what you're gonna do is at the very top for your add color, go ahead and press that. Now, what we're gonna do right here is we're gonna create our formula. So go ahead and press color. Now here's where Joel's gonna go through and he's gonna create our formula first.
The Color Master Factory was super easy to use. It's very easy to navigate around the whole system. I formulate it really quick and I like that it stores everything so I don't have to worry about formulating again in the future when my guest comes back.
I have my beautiful friend Summer here and you guys see how easy it is? You can see how easy it is. Our formula for our Chi Bleach and Shine model was 10B, 10G. We did 30 grams of 10B, 15 grams of 10G. The way you change that is the minuses and plus signs. So on the 10G, let's just make that 15. There we go. Now, if you wanted to, you could go through and do adjustments on this. So click adjustments. The adjustments are all the additives. So like if you want to go through any of these additives, you want to add some clear, you can. 1 in, 3 in, 5 in.
The Chi Color Master Factory was super easy to use, just a couple pushes of buttons. I like that there's an app that I can upload all my clients' information. I double book in the salon, so I just love that. I could quickly push a button and their formula will be ready in 1 to 2 minutes.
You're gonna click your formula, it's that gray bar, and you're gonna hit dispense. That's it. Pretty easy.
Having the latest cutting edge technology is always gonna set you apart from everyone else. You have this thing that is basically magic that no other stylists have, and that sets you apart in itself.
The new Chi Bleach and Shine. If you guys don't have this, you need to. It's an absolute game changer. My new favorite bleach. It's gonna go through and protect the hair. Absolutely incredible. For the technique today, what I'm gonna show you guys is a fast way to do a money piece. This is something I feel like all of us could use in the salon, and a lot of my clients are clients that need to get in and get out fast. It's very low maintenance. So I just wanted to share you guys with my technique so you guys can replicate this back home. After we have the Chi Bleach and Shine, I need to add some developer to it. So when it's done, and hit close, we're gonna open back up, and then we're gonna have everything finished right here for us. I'll show you guys. It's gonna look like this. So we're ready to go. We're gonna put it in the automatic mixer. Takes 60 seconds. You're gonna unlock it, make sure you get everything out, and then 1 to 3 mixing ratio. This is my favorite one for doing for highlights. It helps get through that hair really well. It's gonna smooth on really nice. Saturation's gonna be beautiful, and it's gonna get a really good lift. But before I even start, I'm gonna take Bond and Seal. We're gonna spray the Bond and Seal. This way, if the lightener does get on the ends, it's gonna protect it, and her hair is gonna stay nice and healthy for her. First foil weaved, foil 2 and foil 3 are sliced, foil 4 weaved. I'm trying to be very gentle when folding my foils. I don't want to go through and press too heavy, because if I do, what I can do is I can end up pushing out lightener, and I want it to stay as even as possible. Be extremely gentle and try not to manipulate the product very much. Now that we've gone through and we've rinsed out, we're gonna go through and tone. You're gonna move fairly fast with this. This is only gonna sit on the hair for about 3 to 5 minutes. I don't wanna darken her hair. Nothing about this process made anything harder. It was very, very simple.